In this video, I'm going to remove the windshield on the BMW K1600, and I am going to install the stock windshield. Well, there you have it. The windshield's been changed out. You're probably wondering why I removed the aftermarket windshield and went back to stock. The gentleman I bought this from put that other windshield on because it protected him more from the wind. I like a little bit of wind hitting me, especially on hot summer days. I took it for a ride with that windshield. I wasn't a fan because it pretty much kept all the wind off of me. So at least with the stock one, I get some breeze, and then I can always put it up if I want a little bit less. So it is what it is, right? Everybody's got their own thing. Anybody want a windshield? It'll be up on eBay. All right, you all, comments, questions, leave them down below. You know what to do. God bless and ride safe. Later.